In this section, we'll cover technical file preparation, which are the documents required for your submission. The next step in bringing your device to market in Europe is preparing your technical file. Class 3 devices require a design dossier, which is different from a technical file. This module, however, focuses on technical files, which can get quite involved, so let's take a closer look. The technical file contains information which demonstrates that all requirements of the Medical Device Directive have been satisfied. The contents of the technical file should be organized in a way that aligns with Summary Technical Documentation (STED) format. In short, your technical file is the documented compliance of your product from design specifications and schematics to final packaging information and instructions for use. Are you an organized person? Good, because this is where all of those countless hours of documenting processes, procedures, and everything else about your product pays off. When it comes to filling out a technical file, brevity is fine as long as you can support the safety and effectiveness of your device. The more descriptive you can be, the better. This might seem a bit overwhelming, so let's break it down categorically. Primarily, your technical file should contain 8 components: administrative information, device description, labeling, design and manufacturing, essential requirements, risk analysis, device verification and validation, and clinical evaluation. Administrative information consists of the names, addresses, and other contact information for the manufacturer, authorized representative, and notified body. This also entails regulatory documentation, including your declaration of conformity and any quality system standard certificates. Device description includes the trade name, common name, classification, indications and contraindications for use, as well as details on how the device functions and any components and accessories. Labeling includes the CE marking logo, instructions for use, the label itself, requisite symbols, and any information supplied by the manufacturer in accordance with EN 1041. Device design and manufacturing includes any technical drawings, schematics, blueprints, and other design information. The essential requirements are the cornerstone of the entire technical file. They're located within Annex 1 of the Medical Device Directive and are the basic parameters your product must meet. Risk analysis demonstrates a formal analysis was conducted in accordance with ISO 14971, the accepted risk management standard for medical devices. This analysis identifies potential hazards and failure modes of devices and assesses the associated risks. Device verification and validation includes documentation which demonstrates the design controls and quality system procedures are reflected in the device. This can include test reports on electrical safety, mechanical performance, sterility, biocompatibility, etc. Finally, you'll need to submit your supporting clinical data documentation. This can reference actual usage of the device itself or that of a device which is equivalent. The road to selling your device in the EU can be confusing. Luckily, the EU has many guidance documents called MedDevs. MedDevs can be found on the EC website and provide more detail about specific parts of the registration process. Don't ignore these, they're only there to help you get your device to market in accordance with the EC's provisions. You can navigate to the MedDevs location from the European Commission's homepage by scrolling down to the About the European Commission section and then clicking Departments, Directorates General, and Services. From there, click the Health and Consumers link. Just under the main image on that page, click Health, and then scroll down to Medical Devices. Almost there. Click Regulatory Framework, look for the Guidance section, and finally click MedDevs. Be sure to save that page. Here are all of the available MedDevs that you'll need. In this section, we learned that a technical file must be submitted for all devices. The STED document format works best, and the European Commission provides plenty of guidance on these efforts. The next section covers some entities involved in the CE marking process.